welcome to today's video. I got a package here from our friend over at VastAZ. Let's open it up and see what we got. Let's go. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, that's how you know you gotta buy stuff from Marshall over at VastAZ. Stickers. You're gonna want to see this. And oh, isn't that pretty? Got a nice new harness. But yes, let's open this up. 1 second. Oh yeah, another nice touch. So this, as you can see from those last two digits, this is the 85mm. There we go. 85mm throttle body. So, oh man, that blade is a work of art, Marshall. 85mm all the way through. Nice. So, if you don't know, this is VastAZ's new throttle body kit. It's based on the 80mm Hemi, but the inside has been opened up more, and then a new blade has been made for it. Not just with his logo on it and the red anodizing, but it so it'll bolt up to any Hemi 80mm adapter, like your IE one, the APR one, or the 80mm throttle body kit that we used to sell. Marshall sells them as well. There's a few other companies that sell those plates. But yeah, the beauty thing is this is a 80mm Hemi with the 80mm Hemi throttle body adapter. It's our harness. As you can see, it's all off, ready to go. So let's pop it on. Alright, 85mm Vast throttle body's on, intake's back on, pretty easy swap. Let's go take it for a drive. I gotta go get fuel anyways, so Let's go.
Several months later.
Hey, welcome back everybody. So when you saw us last, we were just getting fuel, and you'll notice I wasn't in race mode. So anyways, I got busy. I had a phone call. I couldn't complete the testing that I wanted to. I had to go take care of some other stuff. That's life. So what we're doing now is the throttle bodies had to come off. Couldn't do the testing. So now it's back on. And we're in race trim, and I'm just gonna go do a third gear pull with you guys, and yeah, let's go see the 85mm in action. Alright guys, so we just got back from the test drive. 85mm throttle body from VastAZ is working like a hot damn. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Go get yours. Go get yours. 100%. You're going to be able to run it on the 034 throttle body file. I'm sure the other guys, if you pin it right, will work as well. You'll have to talk to your tuners about that though. Yeah, I know Marshall's running his right now, or the same one on the stock blower, and having a grand time. So definitely go pick up yours. This is it for now. That's the one change I was gonna make, and then I'm gonna try and see if I can't do a better time. Do that 10.52 at 131. Let's see if 5 mils can do something. We'll see here. Alright, so I just had to do a quick calculation here. The 85mm is 11% bigger in surface area than the 80mm. So, 11%, that's a fair bit more flow opening. And yes, there is a lip, there's a step. That's not really affecting it at this point. So, could it be smoother? For sure. I haven't decided if I'm going to port the blower to match it or get an adapter made. Alright guys. That wraps up the install and the testing for it. Minus doing a quarter-mile hit. I'm gonna run it out when the DA drops here again soon. We're still in fall, still boost season. So, and now let's see what it's gonna do on a quarter mile. All right, we got the DA at 1100 foot, the Vast throttle body on. Let's go see what that 85mm can do. Alright, back in the garage from Mexico. Oh wait, that was a 10.49. I went from a 10.69 as my best last year to doing it again this year. Just dropping 2/10. And to with what? A DA, and now the throttle body, the 85mm Vast throttle body, topping it up. And that was 1200 DA, 1200 foot DA like the last run of my 10.52, because the 10.52 also had a 1200 foot DA, same stretch of road. Get your Vast 85mm throttle body. Alright, DA is now at 500 foot. We've got the 72mm pulley on, just to kind of compensate for the DA. Let's go see what happens. from Mexico. And, well, let's see here. Yep, that's Maggie. Did take the air filter off, just ran the velocity stack, and still with the plumbing there from my ram air. 72mm pulley, divorced. At 10.40. I can't even believe it. Like, I'm stunned, actually. I just checked the Draggy leaderboard for quarter mile for C7A6. That puts me at number 1 right now. I don't know what to say. I'm stunned. I didn't expect the Hoosiers to hook up at 0 degrees, and then they cut a 159 60 foot. So I don't know that I'd recommend it, but I'd recommend it. If you know what I mean. So I mean, we're still like 700 foot DA, 724. Forecast was showing about 500, so my apologies, correction. But yeah, 740. I wanted to see, I'm like, man, the 740, maybe it's a 1039. So then I did the 1043. But back to back. So I think I'm gonna end the video off here. If I get some more runs in this fall, amazing. But I think it might be it. I don't know if the ground temperature will cooperate still with low DA. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, please. And man, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm still shocked.